Today we're playing Roomba Beer Pong.
They don't play like a Roomba party, cat stop!
You were so close to poking my eyeball.
Okay, so you guys messaged us non-stop about Roomba Beer Pong. So we went out and bought some.
It's only been on the internet for
about 3 days. 4 days.
For what, 3 hours? Drinking moving alcohol. There's no better tasting alcohol than moving alcohol.
It is true. So we're in our normal...
Yeah, moving down my throat.
So we're in our normal tag team duos.
Yes.
And we have team names.
Yeah, we do. We're Timon and Roomba.
As you can tell, he's the skinny one, I'm the fat one.
Timon and Roomba.
Quite then, my fellow Rastafarians. We are the Roomba class. And yes, I am ashamed of myself.
I'm going to leave it.
Right, let's pour this and get this game on the road. Let's do this.
No, it's going to just be really frothy.
Ooh, that's really balling there.
I'm sorry for smelling like swamp ass.
I've got beer on my Roomba.
It's our Roomba.
Wow!
Kill him, kill him. I don't want to kill him. I don't want to kill him.
All right.
Oh, that's horrible.
Let's get beer everywhere. Right, you're going
Beer everywhere.
Right, you're going first. No, just go.
Go!
Oh! You go, no kidding.
Oh!
Excellent.
It's covered in fucking duct tape.
Oh yeah.
Shit, I think he was over the table. You all saw it.
Yeah, mama lava.
Okay, everyone.
One. No one told me it was going to be this messy. Hey, it's Matt's go.
Oh, the wind took it.
Oh, it's fucking going mental. Yes! Yes!
I would never, ever complain if one of you guys see my cup.
That's the problem with Lewis having Matt and his team. Matt to go drinking. Oh, I moved! Damn you moving!
That's the point! The big problem with this is it costs like over £100 for one of these and you're putting drink on it.
Oh! That's what Lewis is going to do as well. He's in, finally! Come here! Come here!
Get the fuck off, look!
Oh, my back!
Sorry, I just loved him so much at that moment right there where he got one for us.
The brand new robot cleaner, it never goes over the edge of...
Oh, go on.
Oh, fuck!
Yeah!
Lewis! Thank you, buddy.
I said don't throw this away. It's now back down to 2-2.
This is a lot of ball ache.
This is a lot of Roomba ache.
You're gonna give me a Roomba ridge.
Let's do some Roomba.
Oh, Bex, you're horrible.
I fucking hate that noise!
I don't know if you can see, but this is like full of dirt.
Just
It's got dirt all over it. There's like a bit of straw floating around in it.
It's good of you.
Extra flavour. Barley.
Nutrition. Yeah, what do you think beer is? Beer is just wheat and barley and hay.
Yeah, just bush.
1 cup to go. Come on. Ooh!
Yeah, he's got that. Yeah. I called it.
Yes!
Have a
Yes!
I'm so glad that is over.
Mate, I am so glad that is over. Bring it to me.
Come on.
Come to me this way. Here.
Give up.
Sit. Sit,
Stand
stay.
hither. There you go, man. Close enough.
Good boy.
So that was Roomba Pong.
That was so frustrating.
It was so frustrating, but it probably
so
wasn't.
tired.
It wasn't the worst Pong we've ever done. I think Champagne Pong still took longer.
Champagne Pong still holds the title of the most frustrating Pong.
Yeah, I think we almost broke up friends.
So we won.
Yes.
Timon and Roomba. We won.
Well, we had the best names.
I'm sorry, Jamaicans, I've let you down.
If you have any more ideas of beer pong, make sure you put them down below. We might get to them. And yeah, that was frustrating but fun.
Yes.
Mainly because we won.
It's all on this man here. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, favourite, and subscribe. And if you subscribe to the first one, no one done something stupid. Like, spend too much money on Roombas and destroying them by pouring beer on them.
I think it's dead.
It's had its day.
No, it's alive!
It lives!
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I put mine in the box and then...
Oh! No!
You're fucked!